How many terms of the AP 3, 5, 7, 9 must be added to get the sum 80? This question they ask in like CBSE boards 2026 February. So important question. So here the series is 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. So here the first term is 3. Common difference formula is A2 minus A1. So the series this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So A2 is 5 minus 3. So common difference is 2. It is given clearly the sum is 80. Sum of n terms is 80. So Sn formula is sum of n terms formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now if we'll substitute here, I'll write the formula here. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals 80. See how many terms. So we need to find n. We need to find n here. So n by 2, 2 if I'll transpose here, 2 into 80, it will be like 60. N into 2a, a is 3. N minus 1 into 2 equals 160 because 80 into 2. Now n into 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2n minus 2 equals 160. N into 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2n equals 160. Next step, if we multiply 4n plus 2n square, 2n into n, 2n square equals 160. 160 I'll transpose towards left side and I'll write in a standard form. 2n square plus 4n minus 160 equals 0. 2 if I'll take common, n square plus 2n minus 80. 2 times 80 is 160. Now if I'll take 2 to the other side, n square plus 2n minus 80 equals 0. So 80 factors 8 into 10. 8 into 10. So I want 2. So I'll get here 10 minus 8. So n square plus 10n minus, see 2 here, this 2 if I'll transpose here, it will be 0. So n square 2 I need. So 10n minus 8n minus 80 equals 0. In the first two terms, if we'll take n common, n into n plus 10. In the next two terms, if we'll take minus 8 common, minus 8 into n plus 10. Now again n plus 10 into n minus 8 equals 0. N plus 10 equals 0. N minus 8 equals 0. N equals plus 10, if we'll take to the other side, it will be minus 10. So n cannot be negative, so n equals minus 8 if we'll transpose plus 8, n equals 8.